And weather forecasters were monitoring the flood threats before waters came rushing in. Now Kerr County officials are facing increasing pressure to explain what actions they did and didn't take that morning. Kerrville's public records show that they had an emergency management plan in place back in 2015, and a video presentation shows they had an emergency notification system since at least 2017. But it's not clear if those calls happened before the flooding, which led to more questions for county officials.
It was between 4 or 5 when I got notified. Okay, but prior to that, in that 3 to 4 area, my understanding is, and we're in the process of trying to put a timeline. That's going to be checked into at a later time. I wish I could tell you that time.
We do know the National Weather Service sent out a bulletin at 1:14 that morning that read life-threatening flash flood of creeks and streams. Then another was sent out around 4:15 a.m. telling everyone around the river to seek higher ground. Right now, it's still not clear if the county ever set up an operations center to use that information. Officials would not give us an answer at those press conferences, but of course, we'll continue to press the question. And Paul, you have even a bigger breakdown of everything that conspired with the National Weather Service.
Yeah, Audrey, we've shown this several times, but yeah, 1:14, the warning came out. That's the first warning, and the threat level was considerable, and then some other statements, and then they reissued the warning at 3:35, and then the potentially dangerous situation came out at about 4:03. But that river, sometime between 3:30 and about 4:10, really was out of control, but there were several warnings before that time.